A very warm good morning to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. K.C. Taide Sir, our Principal, Dr. Nitin Ghavgave Sir, Adhyay Faculty Coordinator, Dr. Prashant Deshmukh Sir, our respected faculties, Adhyay 21 Committee, and everyone present here. I, Mitali Potude, Coordinator of Adhyay from Mechanical Department, welcome you all for the inaugural function of Technical Symposium of Government College of Engineering Nagpur's Adhyay. This is the fourth iteration of Adhyay, reformed and restructured in online mode to connect students across the country. It is a forum where people can share their ideas, a platform to innovate, and a place to nurture the talents of technocrats. Adhyay usually features a variety of events pertaining to different branches, with a plethora of events and lectures by prominent personalities to cater the students of various backgrounds and disciplines. Adhyay has set a benchmark of excellence. Now, without taking much of your time, I would like to request our faculty coordinator of Adhyay, Dr. Prashant Deshmukh sir, to give us a brief introduction of various events taking place in Adhyay. Please take over, sir.
Thank you, Mitali. A very good morning to all of you. Honorable Dr. N.D. Ghavgave sir, Principal, Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today's guest, Dr. K.C. Taide sir, Additional General Manager, Quality Control, Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporations Limited, Nagpur. Student coordinators, Nirupan, Nirant, Mitali, Ashutosh, Pranay, and entire Adhyay team, all the head of departments, deans, faculty members, and the dear participants. First, on the behalf of Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, I, Dr. P.R. Deshmukh, Faculty Coordinator, welcomes all of you in Adhyay Technical Symposium of Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, which is entering into the fourth edition of this year, and it gets bigger every year. First, I congratulate the entire Adhyay team for taking initiative to have this event in online mode in this pandemic situation. Its credit goes to you peoples. We are honored to have K.C. Taide sir, Additional General Quality Control, Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Nagpur, and the principal sir for the inauguration. Thank you, sir, for joining with us. In today's time, we just don't use the technology. We live it. It has become integral part of our lives. Science and technology goes hand in hand. And as engineers, we are innovating, designing, developing the system processes which aims to create the better future for the mankind. The engineering field you study gives a knowledge, but what important is the practical applications. Practical application, the innovation, the ideas, and urge to do something for the society. We are extremely delighted to bring you the fourth edition of the Adhyay National Technical Level Symposium of the Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. Adhyay 2021 is all set to bring you a wide array of versatile events, dynamic competitions, value editing workshops, quality webinars by the prominent speaker. It will bring immense pleasure to all of us. At Adhyay, we provide a platform for students to develop and showcase their skills. We have various technical and non-technical events along with the workshops encompassing of all the disciplines of the engineering. So these events are scheduled from today to 30 May of 2021, which includes the following series of the events. Now the first event, Avishkar. Avishkar brings you the golden opportunity to present your creativity, imagination technically. It is a project-based competition to showcase your innovative ideas. It includes the research atmosphere among the participants and also promotes a novel thinking. It is a unique program that enhances your originality. Now, the second event is the virtual placement. Now, virtual placement, it provides an opportunity for the students to prepare for their dream placement well in advance. This will boost up your confidence to perform your best on the interview day. The virtual placement will polish your essential communication and present on skill required to grab the job. The next event, the CAD action. The Adya presents a complete view of 3D designing challenge. With CAD Action, it will explore your skill, compete with your peers to bring the best designers in you. Test yourselves in the most productive event that will increase the value as an engineer. The next event is the co-venture. It is the test competitive programming and logical analysis event. It is an ideal event for you, not only with your coding skill, but it also tests the eccentric questions. It provides a platform to you people to go ahead, head to head with someone of the best analytical brains of the country and prove your algorithmic power. Then the next one is the Respawn. It is summed up online gaming events to go the insights of your technical skills. The next event is Vad Vivad. The Vad Vivad is the export style debate competition. So this event will develop an auditory skills and build a confidence to put forward your opinion firmly, defending your opposition and countering effectively. Test your command and prove your minds. The next event is the Born Psycho. This is the most astounding, fascinating, and most awaited event of the Adya. This event is full of thrill, excitement. It will challenge you at every stage. You people have to tackle the numerous brainstorming sessions, questions, defeat the opponents by keeping coordinators on within the team, overcome the various hurdles, and much more. It is sound exciting events. Then there are a series of workshops. The first workshop is the drone workshop. So this is the drone workshop. It is a technological workshop which is phenomenal innovation that continues to have far-reaching effects across the today's society, transforming the way we do the businesses. This workshop is organized with the motive of imparting education about the drone technology. The next workshop is CAD-O Shop. Now, this CAD-O Shop workshop will explore the softwares and techniques that industry demands nowadays. Learn to make your imaginations on the reality using 3D modeling. Learn about the latest software trends and practices from the industry experts. We do have CATIA and the SolidWorks for the mechanical engineering students, and AutoCAD and the Revit for civil engineering students. The next one is the Learn PI workshop. So this is related to computer branch. The Python programming language has become around for a long time. Now it is nowadays we must have the skill about this Python to make a career in a data science. This is a 2-day workshops which will cover all the aspects of right from basic to advanced level of Python programming. Then next is YouTube content creation and startup mantras. So this particular workshop is going to provide a facility to create, how to create the YouTube content to make the startup successful in your daily life. The next one workshop is the Stargate. So this is an astronomical extravaganza workshops. It provides a facility to explore the insights of the astronomy. This workshop aims at teaching you about the movements of stars and working of the universe. The next workshop is the stock market and investing. In today's expensive world, good financial planning is extremely critical skill, and that can be carried out using this particular workshop. The next one is the Model United competitions. It encourages the student to address the global of the local issue of the concern. It gives a platform to the students to have their public speaking skills and build up their relationship, leaderships, and the problem solving skills. So at the end, we heartily invite you to be the part of Adya 2021. So come join us for this amazing ride of experiences. Let us scale the greater height for this year. So at the end, I wish you all the best for this Adya 2021. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request Nirupam Khadatkar, Coordinator of Civil Department, to give us a brief introduction of our Chief Guest, Dr. K.C. Taide, Additional General Manager, Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Nagpur. Over to you, Nirupam.
Thank you, Mithali. Dr. K.C. Taide, sir, completed his Bachelor of Engineering in 1983, and then did his post-graduation with specialization in hydraulics from IIT Powai. He later joined the Irrigation Department, now known as the Water Resource Department, through MPSC. He has worked on Pench hydroelectric scheme or 160 megawatt hydel power on lift irrigation scheme and right bank main canal of Gosekut project. He has also worked in quality control and as a principal regional training center Nagpur of Water Resource Department. Presently working in Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited for last 3.5 years as additional general manager, quality control and head quality assurance, civil and systems for Nagpur Metro and Pune Metro Rail project executed under Maha Metro. Sir is actively involved in many professional bodies. He is Secretary of Engineering Forum Nagpur. He is the national governing body of Indian Water Works Association. He was Vice President West of ICI Chennai in term 2013 to 2015. He is a member of Bureau of Indian Standard BIS Concrete Subcommittee CED 2:2 of Mass Concrete. Dr. K.C. Taide sir is also a prominent speaker and has organized many seminars and was organizing secretary convener for 4 national seminars organized by ICI jointly with IEI and ACCE. He has to his credits of whooping 20 papers in various international and national seminars and journals. He is currently additional general manager of Maha Metro Rail Corporation Limited and is also leading his skill sets in the area of quality management system and best practices in all works of Maha Metro with continual improvement of quality. It's a privilege, sir, to have you today over here. I would request now our chief guest, Dr. K.C. Taide, sir, to guide us over this occasion. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. A very good morning on the occasion of Adhyay 21 to all. And I am extremely delighted and happy to know about this 4th edition of Adhyay 21, scheduled from today, that is 28th to 30th May 2021. It is a national level technical symposium of Government College of Engineering. And I am thankful to Principal Nitin Ghavgave sir and the management of Government College of Engineering Nagpur for inviting me and honoring me to be the chief guest of today's function. I don't know whether Adhyay is only for Government Engineering College students or it is an open competition for all the engineering colleges in Maharashtra or around Maharashtra.
So it is open for all the engineering colleges across India.
That's very nice, because when I was in IIT, we had Mood Indigo, and I recollect what fun we used to have by involving all the colleges across India. And a lot of students used to come and they used to stay in the our hostels and etc. And it used to be a fun for 4-5 days. So this must be the event similar to that, and hope all students and all young people will enjoy this. So Adhyay 21 is all set to bring to you a wide variety of versatile events, as has been told by Deshmukh sir. And this will be really a value addition for the students, because prominent speakers, the young entrepreneurs would also be talking on this platform. So it gives me immense pleasure to be the chief guest of today's inaugural part of Adhyay 21. As is given to understand to me earlier and now also, it is aimed to bring together technical enthusiasts, prominent personalities, experts from various fields to enrich knowledge, facilitating innovative thinking, which I think is the need of the times. Because I recollect one sentence of Dr. Bhatkar. Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, you all must be knowing, he designed India's first supercomputer Param when there was a need and when the United States refused to give us a supercomputer way back in 80s, 90s. He was the person in CDAC. They developed a supercomputer by name Param. And he had come for one lecture in Nagpur on our forum, Engineers Forum. He said, what is going to sell in future? And he asked the audience, what is there, what it will be that it would be selling in future? Then some people answered some things, but then he told that what is going to sell is only the ideas, and ideas will only sell, and one who has get good ideas, he will only go ahead and will conquer the world. So ideas will be the thing, and I think such platforms are the workplaces where one can think of the ideas and one can be infused, and one is really will be he will be very much inclined to think about the new ideas, and so that we get good young brains with great ideas. This will also promote and encourage and motivate building technocrats to present their skills, because what I always say is skill development is the most important. Knowledge is there, but skill is missing. So skill development is there, and this will be the platform for that. Adhyay 21 brings to you a vibrant set of events, as has been enlisted by Dr. Deshmukh sir. There is a broad spectrum of workshops, and the participant with latest trends of the techniques will be presented, which will be a good value addition. There are diverse sets of webinars by prominent speakers, sharing with students various intricacies of their field. In totality, Adhyay 21 consists of technical events such as Avishkar, which has been explained by Deshmukh sir, virtual placement, CADiction, I think it is CAD addiction, Code Venture is Code Adventure, and then there are non-technical events like gaming, Respawn, then Vad Vivad and Born Psychos. The workshops, a very good workshop on drone, because drone is the new technology being employed everywhere in infrastructure projects. In fact, in Mahametro also, we are very much on employing the drone, and our stations, etc., are always picturized and videographed with the help of drone. So then there is a CADO shop, that is then Learn Py. Py is a Python language, is very important nowadays. I know, because my both sons being in US, both are in computer science, and they are serving there. So they know that Python is very important. And then YouTube content creation and startup mantras. Then stargazing is one of the very beautiful things, because I am also interested in gazing of the stars. And we have got some apps also in our mobile, wherein you can see different stars on the on your night sky. Then there is the stock market and investing, but I am little apprehensive about this part of the, because stock marketing and investing, learning it is one way, but don't indulge much, because nowadays what happens, as soon as people go for service, they got some money, because the IT people will get some excess money. And if they start investing, they should invest in proper places like mutual funds and all these things. But stock market, without a great study, it would be really difficult. Of course, I am now little age old to grab that idea, because in government it is said that if you invest in stock, it is Marathit म्हणतात जुगाराचा प्रकार आहे. And that's why we never indulged in stock market actually, but learning is okay, good. And to know stock market, to know what is Bitcoin, what is everything, is really good. And one should do it. Only investing part should be little with caution. Just a word of caution. Now moving ahead, I would say with this such a beautiful exposure, I have no doubt that you all will become a good and successful engineer. But there are some things which I will add, and hope you will follow to achieve success in your career. That I have named it as qualities of becoming a successful engineer. And why I use the word quality is because day in and day out, I am working in quality. So everywhere, this word, I'll try to put somewhere in some fashion or the other. And then I would say that you should follow the KASH model, KASH. What is K is knowledge, A is attitude, S is skill, and H is habit. So if students follow this KASH, because knowledge, the college is there to give you. Attitude, you have to make your good attitude by molding your mind, and which the college is also helping you. Skill development is very important. And habit forming is also important, because doing good work, doing a perfect work, or being a perfectionist has to be a habit. And that is the key to success. Secondly, I will tell you to adopt the cardinal pillars of work culture, because now you all people will be going in some companies or starting your own company. Wherever you will be working, you have to adopt these cardinal pillars of work culture, who have been said none other than E. Sridharan. When he had come to one of our lectures here in Nagpur, he told that there are four pillars, four cardinal pillars. They are punctuality, integrity, professional competence, and social commitment. So all engineers, as an engineer, we have a social commitment. You should never forget that. So you should have social commitment. You should have professional competence. Your integrity has to be has to be doubtless. And then punctuality has to be there, because when he said, when you cannot be punctual, how do you expect your metro to come on time? So you have to be punctual. Then I would say that look beyond immediate requirement. This is also given by Henry Ford, that be innovative, be creative, and keep learning. That is the mantra, because as soon as some people, what happened, I have seen a few friends, the sons of my friend, that as soon as they join service, they say, okay, ho gaya bhai, sab kuch ho gaya, abhi to service lag gayi, and then they stop learning. And that would be the end of their career, because if you don't learn, then it's not good. So be innovative, be creative, keep learning. Quote once again, Steve Jobs says, you know Steve Jobs, the legendary creative and innovative genius of Apple. He said, stay hungry and stay foolish. So if you don't satisfy your hunger by learning, you will stay foolish. So stay hungry and stay foolish. So don't be hungry. You satisfy your hunger of learning by more and more learning, so that you don't remain foolish in this world. Then always try to improve. And there are four goals. Goals for improvement, and they are: make it easier, make it better, make it faster, and make it cheaper. So these four things will always help you in your life, that anything you are doing, try to make it more easier, try to make it better. And it applies to any field of engineering, not only in software, not only in civil engineering. Make it cheaper, make it faster. And I told you this, what is going to be the product of future. Just now I told you that your ideas will be the product of the future. And hence, young generation, ignited minds, as APJ Abdul Kalam says, is the in thing which is required. And you all should be very infused with good ideas and how to implement them for social upliftment as a social obligation as engineers. Have values, that is most important. Imbibe them into yourself. Values, they say, are like lighthouses, guiding the individuals to navigate through their life. So this is very important, that you should have a lighthouse ahead, so that you can navigate your ship, you can navigate yourself, you can navigate your career properly without any accidents, without touching the rocks or whatever the obstacles. Then last two things: have a dream, crystallize your thinking, dream big, always dream big. And to dream big is not a crime, as said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So you have to have a dream, you have to crystallize that dream, you have to precipitate that, so that the end product is there, which will be useful to the society at large. And I'll conclude this part by quoting words of wisdom by APJ Dr. Abdul Kalam, that if you salute your work, you need not salute anybody. But if you don't, then you have to salute everyone. So try to understand a deep meaning into this sentence. The last sentence which Dr. Abdul Kalam said, it's a word of wisdom by a great personality. And I stop here. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom. It was great hearing you. Now,
Thank you.
I would like to request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Nitin Khavgave, sir, to say a few words. Please take over, sir.
Thank you, Mithali.
Thank you.
Good morning,
Good morning.
everyone present or here.
Good morning, sir.
Honorable Dr. K.C. Taide, Additional General Manager, Quality Control, Maha Metro. Dr. P.R. Deshmukh, Convener of Adhyay. Heads of the department, deans, faculty, all the student coordinators, and my dear participant. Or rather, I should say techno-savvy participants. A warm welcome to one and all. It's my pleasure to be here at this presidential address of Adhyay 2021. Adhyay, a Sanskrit and Marathi word which is meant by chapter, the chapter. So we have started writing this chapter with this inaugural program right now. Friends, we know the engineers without creativity are zero. Creativity is the most important characteristics of an engineer. To do something new, to present it in a different way, to design the system in a different way. This is made by creativity. If I have a machine today, I have designed it. How can I design it in a different way so that the efficiency can be increased? So this is what creativity. And to encourage the ideas, as sir has said, ideas will be sold tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but I should say they are starting being sold from today itself.
Yes.
And definitely, sir, this technical festival is a platform which is provided to all the technocrats to showcase their talents. Various workshops, webinars, competitions such as Avishkar, virtual placement, code venture, and so on are being organized by the Adhyay team. And I'm proud to share with you, sir, that this is the fourth successful consecutive year where we are organizing this competition. Just to say with or about this Adhyay 2021, the speciality of the competition, it was already organized. It is already started. That is MUN, Model United Nation. It was the unique competition, probably might not have organized anywhere else in other technical festivals. So the students of our institute and the faculty advisors, they always used to do something, to do the things in different way all the time. And MUN, this competition is the outcome of it. there are so many events which are being organized and which will be organized in next 2-3 days. Even in the period of pandemic, our institute is organizing such type of competitions with the help of various students, organizations, with student cells, clubs, and so on. And probably Honorable Sir is knowing about it, since he is associated with us as a CDC member. In fact, in his introduction, this was not mentioned, but let me share with you all that Honorable Taide Sir is our member of College Development Committee. So we are always delighted with his advice, his opinions time to time given to us. So,
Thank you, sir.
friends, thank you, sir. As sir has said, he has given 2-3 tips, a cash model. Definitely, the students must note it down and should work on it. Without taking your much more time, I just wish you all the best, all the participants, to take part in various competitions with full spirit and enthusiasm. Thank you once again. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the organizers and coordinators, student coordinators, the very best of luck for the various events. Thank you so much for inviting me over here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. And best
Thank
luck
you
to
so
all.
much, sir.
And I declare that this event is open now.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your prudent words. Now, I would like to request Nirupam Khadatkar to show us a glimpse of this year's Adhyay's various events. So please go forward with it, Nirupam.
तो देखो ना सर, मस्त है वीडियो.
That was really amazing. All the credit for this amazing video goes to this year's Adhyay technical team. Now, I would like to call upon Pranay Tupkar, Coordinator of Electronics and Telecommunication Department, to express vote of thanks. Over to you, Pranay.
Thank you, Mitali. Wishing a very good morning to everyone. I am Pranay Tupkar, the student coordinator of ADHYA 2021, the national level technical symposium of Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. I feel privileged to be proposing the vote of thanks for the inauguration ceremony of ADHYA 2021. I would first of all like to thank our honorable chief guest, Dr. K.C. Taide sir, for gracing this occasion with their valuable presence. I would also like to thank our respected principal, Dr. N.D. Ghavgave sir, for his unparalleled guidance and support. I also extend my gesture of thanks to the HODs of all departments alongside all the teaching as well as non-teaching faculty members. I again thank to all the advisors who have guided us during this blissful journey. I also thank my fellow coordinators who are always there. I am grateful for the inauguration committee who have made this wonderful setup and arrangements. On behalf of everyone, I would like to thank our associate sponsor, CodeQuest, advising partner, Time Institute, resource partner, NISMT, graphics partner, Admire Engineering, media partner, Times of India, food partner, Temptation Cafe, and official sponsorship partner, Sponsor Bull. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all the student volunteers who have toiled hard to make this event a successful one. As there were lots of challenges while organizing ADHYA, but we as ADHYA team believe that yes, we can, and we are proud to say, yes, we did it. On behalf of entire ADHYA core committee, I thank everyone, and I hope everyone will relish ADHYA 2021. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
I would like to request all the participants and everyone
Thank you very
present in
much.
the meeting
Thank you.
to
Thank you.
turn on their camera so that we can capture this movement. So please, everyone, turn on their camera.
There are actually two rooms, so I would be continuously taking the images. So please bear me with that. 3, 2, 1. One more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
everyone.
much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very
sir.
much, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.
It's time to leave, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.